Hello everyone, here I have this Arlo charging cable made for Arlo by the company Taken. This is the unboxing video. That's the box you get. When you open, you get a few things in here. So first you get the power block. Looks like this, with the USB port in here. You get a cable itself. This one specifically is 10 feet, so has a USB, and then your connection to the Arlo camera. So this one is specifically made for Arlo Ultra with this connection right here. So you can plug it in and charge your camera. Also it has a few of these things, so you can attach your cable to the wall or to whatever surface you're running on, I would say. These clips. So this is the package, that's what you get.